Things like that. There's been like some really big papers. Really big, like, but we have to like work. Not only just like, teach full time. That's like pretty much everything, not teaching. Dude, it's fresh. You barely see the mountain anymore. We're doing it live! We're doing it live! What? Bill O'Reilly's so fucking dumb. That's from, he just like he could not understand the teleprompter. It's just a good one.
Is it recording? Oh, it is. Dude, yeah, that was. There's I don't know. I'm gonna go through this and I'm gonna come back because the clouds already. Where are we? Oh, we're here. Dude, I'm gonna show you this. Ah, no, dude. Oh, I'm gonna turn. Dude, that looks amazing. Dude, the wind is blowing me. Okay, I'm pretty f***ing far. I better come back. Where are we?
We're all the way back.
Oh, okay, I see. Wrong tree. Yeah, I see. Oh, dude, that looks freaking epic, actually.
I almost crashed into
I landed in my lap like a few days ago.
That's cool. Well, you're gonna hit your head really fast.
Oh yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna do this. Dude, I've been watching a lot of AVGN.
Oh yeah? His newer stuff or old stuff?
Old.
I still watch his videos. Good. I'm like, it looks like there's like a huge leak inside here.
Should have brought beers, dude. Alright, let's go up the mountain. Dude! That is... I'm probably gonna crash now. That's usually what happens. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna do just a little bit more, and then I just crash. I should have brought the other one because the other one actually shows me how much battery I've used. This just shows me how much voltage I have left. Oh, I got distracted. All right. You guys turned, I don't know where.
You guys went up. You were and I came up to try to find you guys.
Yeah, but I remember you guys took some
we were really drunk.
strange way.
We ended up going over there, that house, I think, and then they came out and they beat us. You were there, right?
Maybe.
You were there that night. You went up with Christian and like, I think.
Yeah.
And then we came.
No,
up.
it was.
We stayed playing Smash. Then we decided to come up afterwards. We got fucking. We got beat. And then apparently he told me, I don't remember this about the other wrong. That he took out like my dad's gun and was like, shoot that mother.
Oh yes, I remember that.
Yeah, no.
And we're like, holy crap, you guys need to calm down.
Yeah. I was like, I don't remember that at all, dude.
You guys were drunk.
Yeah, we were really drunk. We've been drinking, like, just playing Smash, like, chugging beer. And I was looking weird. I don't remember that at all, dude.
That's crazy. Dude, do you remember? Oh, you weren't here when they like surrounded us.
I don't think so.
With
I don't remember that.
dude, we were right here.
Yeah.
Literally, I'm not kidding. At least 20 dogs
We used to have a ton of dogs here.
came out, and Bob was drunk, so he kept walking forward like, Bob, and we're like, shit, he's gonna get mauled or whatever. And we turned off the crappy flashlight we had. We're like,
Yeah.
Bob's gone. And then, but because he was drunk, I don't think they bit him.
Yeah. Dogs. And then dogs are really scared of drunk people, but yeah, this place used to have a ton of dogs, and they would always fucking see me every time I walked by. But now they don't. Dogs are all chill now. I wonder why. Must say. We were taking Chloe and I were taking Dixie for a walk once, and the other dogs just like going fucking crazy trying to get at her. It was really scary, kind of, because I didn't want her to like get bit or anything, you know.
Yeah.
Pretty stupid of us. we never did it again.
I mean, just look at those hills. They're gone.
Yeah.
They were there. Now they're gone.
It's cool to watch it happen now.
Oh yeah, dude. It looks like a sea of clouds pouring into the valley.
Oh, my tummy. Oh.
Dude, do you remember like walking through here like when it was dark?
Yeah, I did.
So, yeah, that's the house where the crazy guy was, right? Wait, is there still like the goat heads? What? The cut off goat heads? Where?
Goat head is right next to the house. Over there, to the right. Never seen anybody.
I'm trying to see the goat heads, man.
The goat heads are gone.
They're gone?
They're gone. Look at that. This monkey that we saw it. You were there when we saw it, right?
What?
Were you there when we saw it?
Yeah, dude, I was there.
So let's take a picture of that, dude.
I think I might have taken one picture, but it was my crappy old flip phone.
We should try to see if you have that, dude, because that'd be awesome.
Yeah. If I find it, I'll send it to you. Also, well, I'm compiling.
That's still a nice view. It's the front part.
They probably planted these trees so that we didn't throw more parties up here.
Fuck.
Well, it's more secluded. We could throw a party. Where's the poppy field? No, I'm good.
You good?
So where's the poppy field?
It's gone. They caught them.
Oh.
Caught like a bunch of dudes. Yeah, I don't get surprised if doing more drugs up here. It's a good place to do it. It's so secluded and nobody goes up here. just the beagles that live down the street. What they're doing over here, they're pretty far from their home. They're probably, yeah, people probably come up here to chop some wood.
Yeah.
There's me and you.
Dog's coming toward us.
Is he cutie? Oh, these guys are really friendly. This one is. Pineda. You're a good boy. You're a handsome dog. You're clean too, not a dirty little chucho. You're so skinny, Mr. Doberman. Doberman. Okay. And he's so scared, baby.
He scared me, dude.
Yeah, he scared me too. He's more scared of us though. We are of him probably. You're not scared, are you? You're not scared. You're a cutie boy. You're a cutie boy. You're not scared. That was a kind of grasshopper.
No, it's a wasp. Holy crap, dude. That thing is huge.
Its antennas are beautiful.
I don't know if in the video it shows how huge that is.
That is fly at you.
A large.
Get your drone and try to fucking chase it down.
Holy crap. Yeah, that is a large wasp.
I'm gonna get closer to it.
Dark blue or purple. Yeah.
Shit's cool, man. Never seen a wasp like that. So like, it was like they were slipping and sliding all the way down.
Dude, I'm doing it in freaking flip-flops.
Yeah,
Look at that. Oh,
down with you. Get all the way. What was I gonna say?
Oh.
Yeah, it was hard.
yeah, because this is where we help people get down, remember?
The wrong way, yeah, the wrong way. Yeah, we're ending. He always does it to you every time. He's such a cute kitty, right? Isn't he a beautiful cat? Yeah, this guy?
Beautiful.
Do you want to put him in a modeling magazine for